Hello! Today I thought I'd share about my latest haul from Traveler's Company. This is the B-sides and Rarities collection that I pre-ordered from Scribe and it's finally here. I already did a quick haul over on Instagram. I'm Nobody Calls Me Leah there, but I wanted to do a full unboxing of sorts because I'm loving this collection so much. All the inserts are just so unique and I just couldn't resist. Okay, so enough with my rambling. I'll zoom you in and we'll get started. Okay, so where do I start? I guess I'm gonna start with this little insert here. It's the only passport sized one of the bunch. Just because by the time I got to the regular version of this, it already sold out. So I had to settle for the tiny one, but I plan to use this along with all these other inserts. So I actually haven't told you about my plans for this yet. Originally, I thought I would just use them as replacements for the inserts in my regular traveler's notebook. The currently super chunky bursting at the seams one here you can see. I'm just about done with my journal insert, so I thought I would just start swapping out these inserts when I'm done with the inserts here. I'm going to replace each insert as I go, I guess, but I changed my mind. It will take me a while before I get through everything in here, so I figured I would just get another traveler's notebook. I've been planning on doing a separate travel book for a while because I never really documented my previous travels, and it's 2021, so I really miss traveling. So maybe a traveler's notebook, an actual one, would help me get through the pandemic. So I think these inserts would work in there. Luckily, I kept a lot of keepsakes that I can use. I just didn't journal about my previous travels. All the keepsakes that I collected over the years are just in boxes and envelopes somewhere here in my house. So it's time that I make use of them. And what would be the perfect way to do that than this? Because I really love this collection. Okay, and I was actually tempted to use this passport one or get passport inserts just because I wanted to use them in my passport size traveler's notebook. But like my regular one, it's also super chunky and it's gonna take me a while to get through the inserts, all the inserts. I'm not gonna finish them all at once. So I think putting together a new traveler's notebook would be fun. A new one isn't part of this haul just because I haven't really decided yet. I'm thinking about the regular blue TN for this because I like orange and blue together, and I got the orange zipper pouch, so we'll see. Anyhow, let's go through all the inserts. Okay, so this is the sticker release paper. If you may have noticed, I didn't really open them. I wanted to be surprised. I saw some posts on IG about these, and I saw some that were in use already, but I didn't really let them stick in my brain. I wanted to just open them and be delighted. So, okay, it says make a collection of your favorite stickers. So, let's see. am thinking it's just where you keep your stickers. Am I correct in assuming that? Okay. I think that's it. Yeah. So it has this sticker backing. That's cool. It's like a small sticker book. So I can keep a bunch of stickers in here all together. So that's pretty cute. And then next is the super lightweight paper. What does it say? I love the little labels here. Fascinatingly thin, light paper, obviously. I like the colors also. I love this collection. The colors were actually what made me sit up and say, okay, I need those. Yep. Super thin paper. Like onion skin. I think that's it. This will be fun to play with. I wonder how fountain pens will fare with these. Okay. Next up is the washable paper. I think this is the most interesting because yeah, it's washable paper and there's even a picture of the washing machine on it. The paper won't disintegrate if it gets wet in the rain or is washed with the laundry. I don't really plan on testing this out on laundry, but I think it's just a fun thing to have. Let me just get all the wrapper stuff out of the way here. Okay. So cute. Oh, okay, so everything's a different texture. It's I'm not sure. It's a little transparent. It's not too thin. It's a little bit thick, but kind of looks like onion skin. So that's very interesting. And then the accordion fold paper. The paper unfolds like a map. Yes, that's so cute. I'm wondering what I could use this for. I'm thinking a super awesome, like map type journal spread would work. Like I can choose one trip and then map out everything I went to. So fun. Now I'm thinking which trip. Top of mind would be Rome and Tokyo. We'll see. And then this is the message card insert. A cute cow graphic there. It says a great way to express kind wishes or gratitude whether you're traveling or at home. Interesting. So what does it look like inside? these colors are killing me. They're so cute. Even the cards that come with them, they go so well together. Oh, okay, so it's full of actual cards with perforated edges that you can pop out. How nice. This is so cute. If you know me, if you've seen any of my plan with me's or just my other journal videos, you know that I love journal cards. So I think I'm going to treat these as journal cards. So half of it has the same cards for like 5 pages, and then the second half of the book has different cards. So cute. Definitely something I can use. Perhaps in gifts too. Cute. Okay, and then the next up is the brown one, letter pad. So it's showing me lined and grid. It says, makes it easy to keep letter paper with you wherever you go. Okay, that's fun. These would really be fun in a travel journal. You can send messages, cards to friends. Ooh, okay, so it looks like an insert, but it actually opens up like a pad. And can you see that? It has that edge with that notepads have, so you can just peel off the pages. Okay, so I thought half of it would be lined and then half of it would be grid, but it seems the front page is lined and then the back is grid. Cute. That's cute. And lastly is the cotton zipper case. A great way to keep cards, tickets, pens, or cash with your notebook. So this is really perfect for a travel book. Okay, let's open it up. I've actually always wanted one of these for my TN. Super nice. Very cute. So there's a flap, and then there's a big thing here. There's a big pocket, and then 3 card pockets, and then the zip pocket. Very cool. So fun for a traveler's notebook. Okay, I'm super excited now. I cannot wait. I need to order that blue traveler's notebook, that cover that I'm thinking of. Maybe I will go with some other color. We'll see. I cannot wait to put it together. I'll make sure to do a video about my setup and what I plan to do with each insert. So far, I've only thought about this one, the accordion one, but the rest I'm not sure yet. I'm also thinking about moving the travel insert that I plan to start my travel journaling with, that's currently in my TN, this one, because I think it would be better in that all travel the end that I'm planning on doing. So we'll see, and I'll make sure I record that video. So that's it. I'll see you again next week. Bye.